You are going to love 2010 Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, passenger airbag, front-wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, fog lamps, heated driver's seat, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.